everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Tola. If you're new here, you are more than welcome. Please do well to click on the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. That way you get notified every single time I upload a new video, which is at least once every week. So here on this channel I do a bit of everything. So if you like what you see here, please do well to join the family. Alright you guys, please don't mind my voice, or don't just mind how I'm looking. I just got back from work and I put the boys to bed. But I wanted to quickly make this video before I procrastinate or just decide not to do it again. Again, please do not mind my voice. I'm recovering from a cold, so please bear with me. Alright, so before we get into the gist of today's video, I just want to say a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video. Snackverse has sponsored this video. They have sent me this box of amazing snacks. I cannot wait to unbox this with you. So if you do not know about Snackverse, they are a snack company and they specialize in, giving people treats from different countries, and all you have to do is subscribe to their monthly packages. Alright, so there are 3 different boxes to choose from. There's the mini, the original, and then the premium box. So if you subscribe for the mini box, you only get a few items. If you subscribe for the original box, you get all the content from the mini box and then some. And then if you subscribe for the premium content, you get the mini box, the original box, and then some. So it's a great way to treat yourself and your family to different boxes. And what they do is they send you a box full of treats and snacks from a different country each month. So this month I have been sent to this box and I just cannot wait to find out where this box has come from. So this box came from Greece and I am absolutely delighted to taste all of these amazing snacks. I would say that this book came with a lot of information about Greece, and also you get to see the other snacks that came in the other boxes. It also had some crossword puzzles at the back of the booklet, and yes, the box came with some amazing treats. I love the cake bar, but my absolute favorite was the strawberry gummy bears. I absolutely love that one. So you guys, your plug will be in the description box. Go ahead and patronize them, and let's get on with today's video. I know this video has been kind of anticipated in some way and I don't want to drag it on for too long. It's just that there's been a change. I've been really unsettled regarding my YouTube channel, and I'm sure it's already telling in the number of uploads I'm putting out. And I feel it's time, because I've put it off for too long and it's starting to affect my productivity with regards to YouTube and how I just treating this platform. Alright, so I know that I have gained quite a lot of followers from my healthcare content, and I know that a lot of you follow me for my sit down videos regarding healthcare content. And as much as I have loved every moment in putting out this content and making sure that people are sensitized about the healthcare journey that they're about to embark on, it's not just about getting this job, it's about knowing how sustainable it's going to be for you in the long run. So this is something that has been on my mind for quite some time, because the amount of messages that I get privately, in the comments, just everywhere really, and I try to just give you the true picture, like give you the good and the bad, so that you are able to make a well-informed decision. Like for instance, I've been talking about the different aspects of care. A lot of people still are unaware of this, and as much as I want to drive this message to everybody looking to get or land a job in healthcare, it is very important to note that there are different aspects of care, and there's different aspects, that is suited for different people with different capabilities. So if domiciliary is something that you can do and sustainably continue, please go ahead and do it. If it's the care home that you find yourself more comfortable in, and I understand that some of these things are better experienced in person, because I'll tell you, like, take my word for it, I did not know that I would love mental health like I did, as opposed to just coming and wanting a care home job. So I understand that you kind of had to experience it to understand it. But yes, the point of this video is to say that my channel did not start off as a healthcare content kind of video. As a matter of fact, I started my channel in 2019, and I have been putting out content to just sensitize people about the country that I'm in part-time. So I started this channel in South Africa, and I've been putting out content regarding my faith, culture shocks, things, relatable things that will just better sensitize you, because as someone in the diaspora, I feel like people really will really learn from you if you talk about these things, and it will help someone coming behind you, to just understand the place and have a better understanding of how life is, like the true picture of how life is. And I think I lost my I won't say I lost my bearing, but I think I got carried away. This channel has become an healthcare content kind of video, and it's affecting me in a number of ways, because I see that my videos do well when I put out healthcare content and people want to hear and know about these things. It's not bad. That's the whole point of the video. And I understand that, yes, it is doing what I want it to do. But then I'm not getting fulfillment putting out only healthcare content. And then my analytics are suffering because the people who follow me for my lifestyle content are not as much as those who follow me for my healthcare content. And anytime I put out anything regarding lifestyle or my faith, it doesn't get as much views as the healthcare content does. And it's not very encouraging to me, because these are the things that I am passionate about. I'm not just passionate about work. In fact, as a matter of fact, I believe I've said this a number of times. I don't like to talk about work when I come home. I like to leave it there, and just move on with something else. I don't like talking about it with my husband or my children or my family. It's not something I like to bring up every now and again. If I can avoid the topic, I avoid it. So it's something that's been bothering me, because I feel like I have confused my niche, because I have quite a number of people coming for my sit down videos, and going forward, I'm going to still, if I find information that is going to benefit someone, I will definitely make a video about it and put it out there. But to have a sit down video and talk about just healthcare and, the trend in healthcare, and well, we know now that, the UK has put out a statement, people from this part of the world do not come. We are not going to be hiring, or, the whole updates. If you have not heard about it right now, that means you're not current about, the updates or the latest news regarding healthcare in the UK. So, going forward, you guys. And another part where I really struggle is when people reach out to me and they tell me how they are finding it so hard, to cope in the UK, or maybe someone has just been swindled. They'll send me a private message on Telegram, on Instagram, and it breaks my heart. Like, I feel really burdened every time someone reaches out to me. On a few occasions, people have sent me voice messages crying on the phone and saying that, oh, it is so hard. I'm struggling in this area. I'm struggling in that area. Sometimes I've had to just console people and console myself. And this thing weighs me down, because the job I'm doing myself is mentally draining as a person. And having to now have to deal with this comment, and there's a lot of comments. I know a lot of people are angry with me right now, because there's just a lot of comments that I have not responded to. And it's because, apart from, being there for people and wanting to make an impact, there's something that it does to my own mental health when I hear all these things. It's something it does to me. It weighs me down as well. So I kind of try to distance myself from this news, and it breaks my heart when I hear that, people are going through a lot. And so I feel really burdened when I hear such stories, or when I read such comments or messages. And I try my best to encourage you, because that's what I feel like you need at that point in time. But yeah, I struggle with this kind of messages, and it's really not, it's not what I really want to deal with as a person, because I also have to guard myself. And I understand that, a lot of people are still going to come up, because these videos are still going to be on my channel. I'm not going to take them down, because I know it will help somebody. And yeah, like I said before, if I find any information regarding, healthcare and whatever that, would help and benefit people, I will put it out there. I'll make a video. I'll explain, like I always do. I'll put it out there, and I would hope that, it will help someone. Someone will get to hear about it or see the video, and it will be shared, and, people will benefit from it and be be advised in that regard. But going forward, as far as this channel is concerned, I think I'm just going to go back to my first love and stick to my lifestyle content, because I feel like that's the thing that gives me joy. And even though I'm not getting as much views, because I don't know if you guys have seen, my last video is still struggling to get to 1,000 views with 20,000 subscribers. It's really not encouraging, but that's the reality of how far I got carried away with this whole healthcare movement. So it's not just you guys, it's also me. And I would say that in going forward, I will leave you in the capable hands of Tochi. I don't know how many of you follow Tochi. Tochi Esther has just shared this amazing news. She's just gotten this job. So Tochi is the best person, in my own opinion. I would list a number of people for you to go follow, because they give premium content, and it's not just let's just sell on YouTube. Okay, so Tochi Esther is one person I will give you, and she now works with an advocacy company, and she would better advise you on ways to come in. Like I've said, it's not only healthcare. Please, let's be informed. Let's stay up to date. It's not only healthcare. Go to Nanelle Grazilda. She has talked about and interviewed people who have come in to the UK through other means. Like there was a tailor that just came in and she interviewed her. That video is up on Nanelle Grazilda's channel, so please go and check it out. Faith Ojone is also another person that I would recommend any day, anytime, because she gives premium content and she's an HR personnel. So she will explain to you the way you will need to understand, the best way to go and how to prepare. CV, you want to do CV, all these things, go and meet these people. They would advise you. If you are coming in through domiciliary, or you're already in through domiciliary and you want to switch employers, for Vicky she's your best bet. She has changed employers like 3 times now since she's been in the UK. So she's your best bet, and she didn't have to pay anybody for anything. So for Vicky Talks, I hand over to you. You guys need to go over there and follow her. She gives advice. She's real. She has a bubbly personality. If you're looking for jobs regarding healthcare, whether it's to the UK or to Australia or wherever, you have people like Fajira, you have people like Ella. Go to these people. Yeah, they have premium content that I'm sure you would really love. I'm not saying that I'm not doing anything regarding, the things that I've done before, but I just want to focus more on my lifestyle content, because let's face it, my vlogs are the ones giving me the extra income. Like I have brand deals. My vlogs are the ones bringing the brand deals. They're the ones bringing these amazing collaborations that I've had in this past 1.5 years, and it has just blown my mind. So I would say that going forward, if you are also looking to start a YouTube channel or become a content creator, please do what gives you joy. Don't be carried away like me and be following and be chasing analytics, because every time I put out a video, right now these days I don't even check my analytics anymore because I realized that my videos are struggling right now. And I know there's also the YouTube algorithm. I know the algorithm is currently struggling right now, and I've also reached out to people in my niche. I've reached out to Melissa Oti. In fact, let me correct myself. Melissa Oti reached out to me, and she's just been a great pillar of support to me. And I know that this struggle is not just one way. It's not just me. I know it's quite a number of us. So I don't mind if my views drop, but they've already started dropping. But I understand that people are looking for a certain thing, and I cannot force people to watch a certain video. But these are the things that give me joy, and I want to focus more on these things, especially sharing about my faith. I haven't really done that much on this channel, and that's because I didn't want it to be in people's faces. But by kind of in that time, like we are in that time where if you're not talking about Jesus, you're either talking about the devil. You can't be on the fence here, because let's face it, just a bug or call. All right, you guys, so that is the update. Thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed, and I will understand if for some reason you feel like you cannot continue with me or here on the channel. I understand, and because you have subscribed for a particular type of content, and going forward I may not be putting out that content as often as I did in the past. I understand, no hard feelings. So you guys, going forward, you'll be getting more vlogs, more content regarding exploring Darlington, or more sit down videos, kind of chit chat videos where we get to gist. I'll still be continuing my series on the my Japa realities. I will also be, introducing different kind of content from time to time. I will also be doing travel vlogs from time to time as well. And yes, you guys, here is to the future of this channel. Tola Lusi is rebranding in some way, and yes, this is how it's going to be for now. I'm truly sorry to anybody who is offended by this, but I kind of have to look out for myself as well. So yes, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments, please do want to hit me up in the comment section. I tried my best to respond to every single person, and yes, I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye, guys.